हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी फॉर इट। 10 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। Mr. Deputy Speaker, paragraph. Through you, sir, I convey my thanks to the President for his kind address to both the Houses of Parliament yesterday. There are many areas which our esteemed President did not touch in his address. I will come to those areas later. Paragraph. I wish to select a couple of things from his address for which he deserves our appreciation. He has rightly dealt with the question of terrorism and the atmosphere of violence in the country. In fact, when we rise in the morning and read any newspaper, the first thing our eyes catch is news about the killings of innocent people in some part of the country or other. Therefore, it is right on his part to express his concern for the growing terrorism and appeal to the people to rise against it and find a lasting solution. Paragraph. The second thing which I appreciated in his address is that he has cautioned the nation through its chosen representatives that they should sustain their urge and interest for the unity and integrity of the country. That is also a very important matter which should be kept in mind by every citizen. Paragraph. Then, the President has referred to the government's efforts directed towards the provision of relief to the drought stricken people in various parts of the country. It is here that I have a marginal difference of opinion because we have a rotten system of public distribution. Most of the aid and relief do not reach the people who really suffer and who need help very badly. I would like the government to take note of this fact. Nevertheless, our thanks are due to the President for the concern he has expressed about the people who had suffered on account of the unprecedented drought. Paragraph. There is another point which I wish to bring to the notice of the House. The President has also referred to the question of emancipation of women. Women in this country are at present receiving a raw deal. There is an urgent need even to amend the constitution if necessary to see that women get equal status as men.